Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you really quickly how you can bookmark websites on Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us get started. Launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, for example on your desktop computer or your laptop, and what you want to do guys is enter the destination pages URL here at the top to access it. So for demonstration purposes, let me go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do to bookmark the given website and to add it to your bookmark bar is simply click on that star icon here on the right edge of the URL bar, just like that. And after that, simply give your bookmarked website a name. You may assign it to a folder, for example, and confirm by clicking on done here. Just like that. As you can see, now the star icon is filled. So now you can access your bookmarks bar and access the given bookmark website really quickly. You may also remove the given bookmark by again clicking on that star icon and by selecting remove. And as you can see, the star icon is not filled anymore. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.